Alright, what's up guys? So first time in 3 weeks that I'm posting a video, and yeah, it's 3 weeks, and man, this is the longest that I haven't posted a video since I took my break in I think 2019 to 2020. And yeah, and I came back when the GSR was totaled, but 3 weeks is a long time, so I have to post something. And yeah, so I'm gonna do a little unboxing of some shoes I got. And yeah, I know it's not really like car related, but really want to get started on this car again. But I'm just trying to just chill a little bit, and then I'm gonna jump back into everything. So yeah, so let's get inside and show you what kind of shoes I got. And same old disgusting seats. All right, so let me take off the wheel, do a little unboxing. So yeah guys, my Doc Martens, have been having them for about 8 years already, and they are already pretty disgusting. And somebody said that some were ordered. I guess they noticed that my shoes were looking a bit crusty. So I was so stoked to find out that I had some Doc Martens sent to me. So yeah, so hopefully they're my size. Let's see. All right, so I think that's gonna be reverse image because I'm using the front facing camera, but yeah, should be good enough. So yeah, I'm so stoked to see these. I've been kind of waiting for these, and yeah, hopefully she ordered them the right size for me. Let's see. Huh? What the hell is this? What in the world? No, guys. Nah, guys, it's a joke. Look at these. I had to get them. These things are totally awesome. You cannot beat this. I mean, look at that. It's just a small version. Come on. You can't say that that isn't cute as hell. Come on. All right, guys. I'm going to be posting a video next week. Stay tuned. Sorry for not posting, everybody who's been asking. And yeah, I'll return consistent someday. But yeah, that's genuine too, so that's pretty cool. Man, these things are tiny. Very, very cool.